Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Really quick one today. I got a Holmes Hobbies 2-in-1, and I have an OG Fusion. The first Fusion that came out. It comes in the metal case. It's not the Pro, it's an 1800. So it's the biggest one, the biggest variant. I want to show you the size difference of the 2-in-1s. So they're both like standalone 2-in-1s. So this is the original Fusion. And they had more options and a higher amperage, but they're longer. They're the longest variant. So then they came out with the SE and the Pro version. This is Holmes' new product. Ten-pole. 2-in-1. The Crawlmaster. 2300 kV. 1800 kV, but size difference. That's pretty crazy. Look at the difference. That's wild. Anyway, like and subscribe, guys. And yeah, we'll have a video for testing and whatnot. But that's awesome. Good job, Holmes. Right on you.